course, the unprecedented rain and waterlogging that has left artists and puja pandal organizers grappling with damages to those pandals and ruining the plans. Now, it is the Chief Minister who cancelled the Durga Puja pandal inauguration as well and asked people to remain alert. Now, pandals in the southern part of Kolkata were the worst impacted as it rained more heavily in those areas. Several pandals have been washed away. Many others were submerged underwater after incessant rainfall. Do remember that, Kolkata received rainfall to the tune of over 250 millimeters and some areas received about close to 300 millimeters. Now, the IMD has warned that the rain might even continue over the next few days due to that formation of that weather system, and which is why, it's a cause of worry when it comes to pandals and the celebrations that have been lined up, those pujo celebrations. And my colleague Shreyashi gets us the details.
Even as certain parts of Kolkata remain waterlogged, where civic workers are working round the clock to bring back normalcy in the lives of those who need to commute, here in Santosh Mitra Square, puja revelers have come out in full swing, getting a glimpse of the puja pandal, which is themed on Operation Sindoor, to pay heartfelt tribute to the armed forces. Now you can see how people have already started pouring in to get a glimpse of the puja pandal, getting a selfie with their loved ones. And one would not even imagine yesterday there was so much waterlogging. The rain fury was absolutely devastating. But this puja pandal has weathered that storm, and to get a glimpse of Ma Durga, the devotees have started pouring in because this is a crowd puller. And during pujo, it takes hours for the devotees to get a glimpse of the puja pandal. But before that, people have come here to take selfies, see Ma Durga, and start their pujo hopping, as we call it here in Kolkata. And one would absolutely not imagine that yesterday the entire city was brought to its knees, but nothing is stopping the people of Kolkata. The spirits are high. The pujo has begun on Saturday. The celebrations are going to begin in full swing, and Home Minister Amit Shah will be coming and inaugurating this puja pandal day after tomorrow. And all eyes on the pujo festivities as well from Kolkata. Even the rain fury couldn't dampen the spirits. With Anirudh Tripathi, Shreyashi Dev for NDTV.